Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart in Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today's DIY video is a glass top plant stand. These are the items that I will be starting out with, and I will leave a list in the description. Right here I am measuring how big my board is, and I just wrote the measurements on. It really wasn't necessary, but I just felt like I needed to do that at the moment. So I have 8 sticks. 4 of them are 10 inches, the other 4 are 12. I'm using the 12-inch sticks for the legs, and the 10-inch sticks I'm using for the brace for the legs. And you see me there positioning everything, and I'm eyeballing, guys. I'm not doing a whole lot of measurement. And you see I'm using the wood glue to put my brace boards in place, and I'm smoothing out any excess glue that squeezes out from the bottom as I apply pressure. And I should have been using gloves for this, but I didn't. And we move forward, and there we are. Now I'm using gloves. I'm still applying pressure to my brace. I'm checking to see the positioning of the legs, and now I am marking on the legs where I want the to make my pre-drill holes. I'm just lining it up, using the ruler for an even edge. Just like that. Now right here, guys, I am using a hammer and a nail, along with I think that's a 3-inch nail, to make my pre-drilled holes, which makes it so much easier. And here I'm marking on the brace where I want to put my screws and do my pre-drilled holes. And here I am drilling my pieces in place. That's the result. And here I'm ready to put the legs in place, and I'm using the wood glue also for that. And this is where I begin to drill my legs in place. Guys, I just wanted to say, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do tap that subscribe button and the notification bell so when I come up with new uploads, videos, you will know. And you can tune in and see what I have going on next. To reinforce the legs, I will be using these angle brackets. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you how the table is looking so far. So good. The legs, these Dollar Tree pre-measured legs, pre-cut, pre-measured legs or pieces of board, they did really well for me with this project. And I already had this board from when I made my bench last summer. And I have my leveler here because I want you guys to see how good these Dollar Tree legs leveled up this table. Not bad, right? And these are the stains that I am contemplating on using. This, of course, is the darker stain here, and this one would be like this. We'll see what it do tomorrow, because I'm going to call it a night, and we'll be back to do the sanding and the staining tomorrow. And here, as we move forward with the sanding process, I am sanding all the edges of the top surface, and I also make sure I round off the edges of the corners. I do the same to the legs of our plant stand. And here we have the glass that will be on top of our plant stand. And right now I want to do a design on it using these fern leaves, which I will be spray painting. But this is how it turned out so far. Alright guys, so this is what the glass is looking like before the leaves come off, and here we go, taking them off and see what kind of design I have. Oh. And this is it. I don't know if this is really what I want to do, but we're going to use this. And this is not even really the color that I wanted to use, but we're going to keep rolling with it. This was my first time attempting to do this. After looking at this glass top, I decided not to use it. The camera picks up more than what it looks like live, and I'm not too particular about how it looks. So guys, I have decided to go a different route, and I will be using the Mosaic glass mirror tile. That is what's going to replace the glass top. Hey guys, I also wanted to share my new music for my brand and my style by MaxxGilliam of My Example Inc. and Productions. If you would like to have music catered to your brand and your style for your videos and your channel, you can contact MaxxGilliam, and I will leave the information in the description below. And here is the final result, guys. I think it looks great. What do you think? It is functional, it's sturdy, it has a nice design, and it can hold this very heavy plant. I think it turned out great. And how do you like my music, guys? Hey, if you want that personal touch for your videos, get in touch with MaxxGilliam. Yes. And guys, if you like the content that I put out in my videos today, give me a thumbs up for a like. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Tap that notification bell so that you can see and know when my next uploads and videos come in. And don't forget to share, guys. And I will see you in the next DIY. Bye-bye.